this problem, we want to simplify each radical using product property. Assume all variables can be a real number. So we've got square root of 16x squared minus 16. Now in this one, I notice that I have two terms inside, and they both have a 16. So I can factor that out. So this becomes 16 times x squared minus 1, and that's using the GCF. Now let's take a look at 16. Now you may be able to see it's 4 times 4, but I'll assume I can't see it. I come over my tree thing. It is divisible by 2, my first prime, 2 times 8. 2's prime, so we circle it. 8 is 2 times 4. 2's prime, so we circle it. And 4 is 2 times 2. So this becomes 2 times 2, like that, times x squared minus 1. Our index is 2. The index is number in a slot right here, and if there isn't a number there, it's by default 2, which means we're looking for a pair of somethings. Here's a pair of 2's, and here's a pair of 2's. So this pair of 2's will come out in front as a single 2, and this pair of 2's will come out in front as a single 2. Now when they come out with multiplication between them, so that's like 2 times 2, square root of x squared minus 1, which gives us 4 square root of x squared minus 1. Now x squared minus 1 is something we could actually factor further. It's the difference of two squares, two terms with the minus between it. If I come over here, x squared minus 1, difference of two squares, we try to write it as something squared minus something else squared. You ask yourself what times yourself gives each piece. X times x gives us x squared. 1 times 1 gives us 1. I'm going to label what's inside the first set of parentheses as F for first. I'll label what's inside the last set of parentheses as L for last. And this is the formula, F plus L times F minus L. So everywhere there's an F, I'll plug in x, and everywhere there's an L, I'll plug in 1. So this becomes x plus 1 times x minus 1. Now that doesn't benefit us any, because I could factor this, but remember the square root, we're looking for a pair of somethings. Well, these aren't the same, so nothing can come out, and this is actually our answer right here.